Welcome to the lecture series of differential calculus. Today we are going to see the last topic under this differential calculus. Look at the topic. The topic is evolute as the envelope of normal. So this is the topic. Already we have discussed how to find out evolute for a given curve. So here what we are going to do is, for the given curve, the normal equation. From the normal equation we are going to find the evolute of the curve. So the evolute of a curve is the envelope of the normal of the curve. That is what the topic. So look at the first question. Find the evolute of y square equal to 4ax considering it as the envelope of normal. So in the question, find the evolute of y square equal to 4ax. It's the question up to this only, means you can do the method by which we have discussed already. If suppose the question contains like this, find the evolute of y square equal to 4ax considering it as the envelope of normal. In that case we have to proceed how we are doing the problem. By this method only we have to do the question. So look at the solution. So under this topic, first we have to write any point on the curve. Okay, any point on the curve y square equal to 4ax is, we have to write the parametric equation. What is the parametric equation? X is equal to at square and y is equal to 2at. Actually this is the parametric equation. So here we are taking any point on the curve. Okay, and we know the normal point. Okay, so the normal at the point is this one, x comma y, means x equal to at square, y equal to 2at. At the point is y plus tx equal to 2at plus at cube. This is the normal equation for the curve y square equal to 4ax at the point x equal to at square comma y equal to 2at. So we have to take the normal equation. We can call the normal equation as equation 1. Now we have to find the envelope of this equation 1. Okay, so to find that we are going to differentiate equation 1 with respect to t. So what will happen here? There is no t term, so that will become 0, and the next one is t is there, so we can get only x equal to, when you are differentiating here we can get to 2a plus at cube. So a is a constant, so we can get 3at square. So which implies we are going to find the value of t. So 3at square equal to x minus 2a, t square equal to x minus 2a by 3. Okay, so which implies t is equal to x minus 2a by 3a whole power 1 by 2. So this is the value of t. So now what we are going to do is, we are going to substitute the t value in equation 1, that is the normal equation. Therefore from equation 1, y is equal to, from the equation 1, y is equal to 2at plus at cube minus xt. So this left hand side tx will come to the right hand side. Now we are going to substitute the t value in this equation. Before substituting that, you can take commonly t outside. So this can be written as t into 2a plus at square minus x. So now we are going to substitute the value of t. So what is our t? T is equal to x minus 2a by 3a whole power 1 by 2 into 2a minus x plus a t square. T square is nothing but what? X minus 2a by 3a. Okay, so 2a and x a t square. T square is nothing but, when we are squaring this one we can cancel the 1 by 2. We can get x minus 2a by 3a. So here you can cancel the a. So we can get x minus 2a by 3a whole power 1 by 2 into, look at this one, 2a minus x. Here we can cancel the a, so that we can get only x minus 2a by 3. Okay, so what will happen? Now we are going to take the x minus 2a, x minus 2a. When we are making x minus 2a, here we can get one minus. So x minus 2a by 3a whole power 1 by 2 into x minus 2a. Here we can get one minus. So minus 1, okay, plus 1 by 3. So in the next step, minus 1 plus 1 by 3, we can get minus 2 by 3. So now what we are going to do is, we are going to squaring on both sides. So squaring on, what will happen? Y square equal to x minus 2a. When you are squaring this, we can get only x minus 2a. Okay. Power 1. And here this will become as x minus 2a power 2 into 4 by 9. And what about the denominator? Denominator we can get 3a. Okay, so actually here there is no need to write the 1 and all. So totally we can get x minus 2a power 3, okay, divided by 3a into 4 by 9. So 4 into x minus 2a whole power 3 by 3 9s are 27a. What is our left hand side? Left hand side is y square. So which implies 27a y square equal to 4 into x minus 2a the whole cube. So this is the required equation of evolute. So this same answer, same problem we have done in evolute also, finding evolute of the given curve. Here we have done for the envelope as a normal. So like that only, the question comes under the envelope of normal, means we have to do like this only. Okay, thank you for watching.